It's a little dark, but this is my first test or whatever. This thing's not in by far. It's hitting this. Actually, I could probably water that tree. This one's watering that one. Yeah, it's watering the sidewalk all right, but it seems to be getting pretty decent coverage of the whole thing, which I kind of wanted to do too, because I want to wet those dogs. Actually, I know I could adjust too. It's getting over here too. You know what? When I make that thing straight, it should work too. Yeah, I might have to. I'm gonna have to switch this one out, and maybe that one. I gotta see. I gotta play with these two. The one on the top really gets a lot of it, but see, I'm still missing over this way. Yeah, I could add another one. I don't know if I want to do that. You know what? Maybe I will. Maybe I'll just do it that way. I'll just add another one there in the middle. This way it's like full coverage here. But these got to be, this still has to go pushed in too, so. But yeah, not bad for an initial little test. I added that one up top, this one, and then the one at the bottom. I had the other ones in for a while now. I've been adding to it as I have time and go along. Maybe I'll leave this one, we'll see what the deal is, you know? Pressure seems to be pretty decent, so. This one's pretty cool. Up here, I have another one of those. Maybe I'll add that to that little spot.